Now let's add the link to your blog post. Return to Posts and edit your blog. There are 3 main ways to add affiliate links: inline text links, clickable images, and buttons. I'll show you how to add each of them. Let's start with inline text links. Find the first location where the name of the product you're recommending shows up. Highlight it, and then in the floating toolbar, click TA for Thirsty Affiliates. Then search for your newly created affiliate link and insert it. Now when someone clicks on the name of the product, they'll be taken to the affiliate link destination. Now let's add a clickable image. Click the last block before where you want to add your image. Then click the plus icon in the top left and search for Thirsty Affiliates image. Then click on the block to insert it in your blog. Then in the block that appears, search for your newly created affiliate link and select it when it appears. It'll show you the product image that you uploaded earlier. Go ahead and select that. Now when someone clicks the image, the affiliate link opens in a new tab. Finally, let's add a button. Let's go to the bottom of this section, click the last block of text, and then on the left side, search for button, and select buttons. Set the text to a good call to action, something like see current price or sign up now. Center align the button by clicking this change items justification button and then clicking justify item center. And then I want to point out with buttons, clicking the TA affiliate link button only adds the link to the text. We want to make the button clickable. So we want to add your cloaked link from Thirsty Affiliates. To find your cloaked link, first save your draft, exit back to the WordPress dashboard, go to Thirsty Affiliates, click on your product, and then copy the cloaked URL. Return to your post, find the button, and then click on the button, and then add the link using the regular link tool. Now when someone clicks the button, they'll be taken to your affiliate link. So how many links should you add to your post? Generally, 2 to 3 links per product is plenty. 1 near the first mention, 1 after your final discussion, and optionally a 3rd link if the post is long and it adds real value, or like I did, make the image clickable. Avoid link stuffing. Don't link every time a product is mentioned. Google sees that as spammy and it hurts user experience. Be intentional and focus on clarity, not quantity.